Coming back up from the park, you can see there's a cessna, less than 150 feet, maybe exactly 150. Plane's half the size of each home here. So he's sitting on my head. All this falls under the guise of surveillance. Two police helicopter cover-ups yesterday. Boeing 747 cover-ups the day before. Military helicopter cover-ups. They're doing a police helicopter cover-up right now. But I had to run down to the park, and then he goes and hides because he has so much air support, like this guy, telling him where I am. That's what this is, because I can hear the helicopter out there. But when I go down, by the time I run there, he's gone.